We're here at Dublin Castle where we had a meeting this morning of chairs from parliaments in EU member states and the European Parliament chairs as well, to do with the digital agenda as its role in relation to transport, communications and education. And I chaired the education session of the meeting today, and we looked at the role of digital media and ICT in education currently and in the future, and issues that came up included that it's very important that there's equality of access to the digital tools in relation to education. And another aspect that was mentioned by speakers and also by the Minister and the Director General was the importance that the digital media, they're just a tool in education. They don't supplement the other work that goes on, which very importantly is teaching and learning.